Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Threads of Impact. This is a British Council supported project for the PRGMEA members with the support of Government College University, Lahore. I need to describe the name once again. Threads of Impact means the pact with the Mother Earth to conserve the resources and to leave it for the next generation. The focus areas of this program are very clear. We are working on carbon footprint, water footprint, use of the materials, use of the chemicals, use of the accessories, and finally with the energy efficiency modules. Our approach to our program is very clear, as we are starting with the basic pre-seed program, assessing the needs of the project and then taking it into a pilot phase, which means carefully one process will be recorded. For example, we are doing the life cycle assessment of one article of a factory which produce millions of the garments. And from that pilot, we will take it to a model where we're gonna implement it to different factories and different product lines. I explain it to you again. Every factory is producing different quantities and different articles as per the demand of the customers. Jackets, uppers, lowers, t-shirts, hoodies. So at this initial stage, we will take few single product lines where we're gonna study that product line. We'll map the production plan of that product. We will calculate the life cycle assessment, and then we take it to the next level. The best part is going to be when we start the scaling, which is going to be a long-term project. But this everything what we are working on is going to be part of our research associated with the project. Our major focus area is decarbonization, which means we have split it companies or manufacturers into two tiers. Tier 1 is having a dry processes, which we call it in our language as a cut-to-pack manufacturing units. And the second units are the Tier 2 units, which are having a wet process, including washing or dyeing process, and then water recycling and treatment plants. Our major focus or current focus is to maximize material efficiency, reduce water footprint, reduce carbon footprint. Then upcoming focus is going to be to maximize energy efficiency, and to the future opportunity, that's going to be our last focus, is going to implement circular business model. The current program offerings are here, where the participants of the program, we have already coded them with their names, and with the names we outline Tier 1, Tier 2, and we also displayed the programs they have already in place. For example, water reduction programs, renewable energy programs, material efficiency programs, and to phase out the coal if they use it in their processes. We have a very simple methodology. We are calculating life cycle assessment of whatever the product they are producing after our selection. Then we will take it to next phase, which is going to be design phase. And after design phase, it is going to be the next project. The part of this project is to produce something which is a sustainable product line, whether it is a denim or an knitwear product. And later on, we will do the post-production life cycle assessments to differentiate how much carbon footprint we have reduced and how much water footprint and energy efficiency is there. And then finally, the outcomes will be presented in a seminar so that other people can learn from there. Our program objectives are very clear. This again, greenhouse gas reduction, water savings, energy savings, data benchmarking, waste minimization, and resource optimization. We have seen all this under these 10 best practices, where we have industry benchmarking, so we can use all these 10 best practices in our processes so that we can learn from them. And with the standard, if we see all these coded manufacturers, because we have a non-disclosure agreement with them, they have already got few certifications. For example, one company is working on a Higg index. They have their Ecotech certification. Some are ISO certified. Some got RAP certification. Some got GOTS certification. So this is going to be a journey with every month's report and a technical video, so that people can join us later on when we document all these calculations and everything which we signify in our project. So thank you very much and see you soon.